In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up IC Market's two-factor auth. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a quick but powerful checkpoint to your login. Along with your regular password, you'll confirm your identity with a one-time code generated on your phone, making it much harder for anyone else to get into your account. Start by signing in to the IC Market's secure client area on the official website using your usual login details. Once you're in, head to your account or profile options and open the security area. You're looking for the setting labeled Two-Factor Authentication. It may appear as a toggle or a button to begin setup. Next, choose the verification method you prefer. IC Markets supports an authenticator app, which is the recommended option because it works offline and isn't vulnerable to SIM-based attacks. If you don't already have one, install a trusted authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator from your device's official app store. With the app ready, return to the IC Market screen and follow the prompt to connect your account. You'll see a QR code. Open your Authenticator app, add a new account, and scan that QR code. The app will immediately create a 6-digit code that refreshes about every 30 seconds. Enter the current code back on IC Markets to confirm and finish enabling 2FA. If the code doesn't work the first time, wait for the next one to roll over and try again, and make sure your phone's time is set automatically. After you turn it on, the login flow changes slightly. Each time you sign in, especially on a new or untrusted device, you'll be asked for a fresh code from your app. On personal devices, you can choose to trust the device so you won't need to enter a code every single time. A few important tips before you wrap up. The Authenticator app is safer than SMS for most people. If IC Markets shows backup or recovery codes during setup, save them immediately in a secure place, such as an encrypted password manager or a printed copy stored safely. Never share your verification codes or your QR setup image with anyone. If you change or lose your phone, reach out to IC Market support to reset or help restore your 2FA access. That's it. You've strengthened your account in just a few minutes, and you're ready to log in with confidence.